As I said, when I was here in December last year to commission the Rumola flyover, you have proved worthy of the sobriquet, Mr. Project. May the Almighty God continue to strengthen your hands. Your Excellency, you have doubtlessly changed the physical landscape of this beautiful state. Beyond this self-evident physical transformation, you have stood as a bulwark against those who sworn to emasculating the main opposition party, all in their bid to force a one-party state down the throats of Nigerians. Your Excellency, if you will leave your phone alone for 1 minute. You were at one point virtually a one-man countervailing force defending and protecting your dear party, the PDP. You have also, through bold legal challenges, deepened the national consciousness on the defect in the running of a defective federal system. You have said it, and I'm sure you will remain committed to the struggle to entrench a true federal system that will engender real development across all ethnic nationalities and across all religious persuasions in this country. All well-meaning Nigerians therefore know that we badly need to unite as a nation to be able to effectively confront our security and economic challenges. Your Excellency, our party, the PDP, a party for which you have labored so much, seems saddled with the historical duty of forging this unity, a unity premised on truth, equality, and justice, a unity upon which rescuing Nigeria from the far from satisfactory performance of the 7 years of the APC will be built. It is a mission that must be accomplished, a mission for which you are specially positioned and favored to play a major role, a mission that must be subscribed to by all lovers of this country. You have doubtlessly done well for PDP. And I can assure you that the preponderance of leadership and membership know your worth. I pray that the party will do all it has to do to meet the challenges threatening its cohesion and move on to post a successful outing in the next election. You have also evidently done well for Rivers State, and her people from all parts have demonstrated their love in return for you. Yes, Mr. Governor, some may genuinely not like you. Just remember that great leaders always elicit extremes of passion. Some will surely envy you. Always remember that success is a magnet for envy. Some do not dislike you. They just don't endorse your style. Well, being iconoclastic is one of the major toolkits of leaders who are dissatisfied with the status quo. Whatever anybody says, whatever anybody thinks, I am convinced, again, I repeat, a preponderance of PDP leadership and members hold you in high esteem. The pauperized masses of our great nation look up to you to continue to be part of the national rescue process. And I'm sure you will not let them down. As you coast home to the end of your tenure, I urge you not to relent in doing good, not to be weary of fighting the right battles, and never give up on the destiny of our nation, the manifest destiny as a leader of nations. I congratulate you on doing your very best, and I congratulate the good people of Rivers State who have stood solidly behind you these past 7 years. Mr. Governor, you are surely not a perfect man. You have your own limitations. No human being is perfect. But you have a fundamental understanding of what it's all about, what matters most, and that is service to the people, to be accountable to the people. These are the reasons why your supporters, friends and associates in Rivers State, in the South, indeed across the length and breadth of this country and beyond, are today eagerly waiting to read your lips vis-a-vis the 2023 election. Your Excellency, when will be successors are shy of pronouncing a continuity agenda as a campaign mantra, it amounts to obvious indictment of their predecessor. I am sure your successor will surely be proud to announce loud and clear a continuity campaign.